I just discovered a way to give every AI tool I use perfect memory, and it's completely changed how I work. ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, even the AI tools you've never heard of. They all now remember every conversation, every project, every preference I've ever had. And the best part? It took me less than an hour to set up. But here's what most people don't realize about AI memory. It's not actually about the tools themselves. 3 weeks ago, I was drowning in context switching. Every time I opened a new AI tool, I had to re-explain my entire project, my writing style, my business goals, the specific formatting I needed, over and over again. I calculated that I was spending nearly 2 hours a day just getting AI tools up to speed on things they should already know. That's when I realized the problem wasn't the individual tools. It was the lack of a central nervous system connecting them all together. Now here's where it gets interesting. The solution isn't some expensive enterprise software or complex integration platform. It's something so simple that when I tell you, you might think I'm crazy, but stick with me. Because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this approach is actually more powerful than any built-in memory feature. The system is called a master context document, and it lives in one simple text file. Think of it as the brain that connects all your AI tools. This document contains 4 critical sections: your personal work style and preferences, your current projects and their specific requirements, your standard templates and formats, and your decision history, what worked and what didn't. Every time you have a breakthrough conversation with any AI tool, you update this master document. Every time you start a new conversation, you paste the relevant sections. Let me show you exactly how this works in practice. Section 1 is your AI interaction profile. How you communicate, what level of detail you prefer, your industry context. For example, mine includes that I'm a content creator who prefers bullet points over paragraphs, values actionable advice over theory, and works primarily in the productivity and AI space. Section 2 is your active project tracker. Right now, I'm working on a course about AI automation, a YouTube series about productivity tools, and a client project for a SaaS company. Each project has its specific goals, target audience, and success metrics documented. But here's where most people mess this up. They try to create a massive, comprehensive document right from the start. Don't do that. Start with just 3 sentences about yourself and 1 current project. The beauty of this system is that it grows organically. Every good AI conversation teaches you something new about what context actually matters. Section 3 is your template library, the formats and structures that work for your specific needs. I have templates for video scripts, email sequences, social media posts, and project briefs. When I need a new video script, I don't have to explain my preferred structure every time. I just reference template 7 from my master document. Section 4 might be the most valuable. Your decision and outcome log. This tracks what approaches worked, what didn't, and why. It prevents you from repeating failed experiments and helps you double down on successful patterns. The results have been incredible. My AI conversations are 70% more effective because there's no warm-up period. I'm getting better outputs because the context is always complete, and I'm building institutional knowledge instead of starting from scratch every time. If you want to see exactly how I structure my master context document, along with the specific templates I use, I've put together a complete guide with examples. The link is in the description. And if this approach to AI productivity resonates with you, hit that subscribe button. I share systems like this every week. Here's the thing about AI tools. They're incredibly powerful, but they're only as good as the context you provide. Most people are using Ferrari engines with bicycle wheels. They're not getting the full potential because they're not thinking systematically about how all their tools connect together. Your master context document isn't just a productivity hack. It's your competitive advantage in an AI-driven world. The question isn't whether you should build this system. The question is, how much time will you waste before you do?